Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why does your HONOR Earbuds to Lite are not charging. Firstly, I recommended to check if you have the foil at the charging contacts. The charging contacts located, so first on the front side, at the bottom right here we have dots. This one is the charging contacts, and also we have charging contacts right here. So check if you have the foil. You can also check it in the charging case if you have the foil for the charging. So right here and right here we have charging contacts. You can check it and remove if you have the foil. Now, if you know that you have no foil, next step is to clean these charging contacts. So you can use isopropyl alcohol, you can apply it, if you have it. You can apply it to the charging contacts and then clean it with a brush, or if you haven't clean tool, you can use the toothbrush. By the way, this channel we have video how to clean these earbuds, and if you don't know how, you can check that video. Now, if you clean it and it didn't help you, I recommend to firstly check your cable. Maybe you need to change and use another one. Also check your adapter. Is everything okay with it? Is it charge your phone, your headphones? Try to use it on another device. And you need to check USB-C port at the bottom of the charging case. Is everything okay with this port? Maybe this one is your problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!